Hello all, my name is Krishnak and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now from past many days, many people were asking me, Krish, can you just mention some of the books that we can actually read for data science, machine learning and Python, which is available for free. So I've explored this thing guys and I've referred most of the books which are available completely free for online in the form of PDF, and I'll be discussing about these books. So the first book that I would like to mention. And all these links will be given in the description of this particular video so that you can actually use it and you can actually study it. Initially, what I thought is that the best way to learn data science is through videos. But after that, after learning from videos, also when I referred some of the books, it was very very beneficial. So to begin with, the first book that I like to mention is from O'Reilly. The book name is something called as Python Data Science Handbook. Okay, uh, it is. This is an amazing book. I'd say that wonderful book written in the best possible way. I'll tell you what all things it involves. It includes. Sorry. So first of all, this is a very very good comprehensive guide for Python for data science. So if you are very much interested into Python, um, if you think that you're trying to become an expert in Python with respect to Python, you want to implement some data science projects. So I think this book is absolutely perfect. It has wonderful codes. I have actually read this, and it was very very beneficial to me. This book covers all the very important libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and the best part is the exploratory data analysis. It is done in such a wonderful way. The explanation is done in such a wonderful way. It is beautiful because and the flow that continues after the exploratory data analysis to the machine learning algorithms, that actually includes a whole lot of things, that gives you an idea about a whole lot of things. So definitely I would rate this book as good, and it is available completely for free in online. This whole PDF is available. Again, I'll be sharing the link to you. You can actually have a look. Okay. And when I just talk about the machine learning chapters, they are very very good, and it covers both practical implementation of the libraries, and how they actually work. So everything is covered into this. So let's and again, you can see that advanced concepts like Python graphics libraries. You could see some of the maps over there. It includes Seaborn, so this kind of maps. So a lot of things are there, and definitely for I would like to rate this book a very good rating in short, because it has been wonderful. I have read this book. It was good itself, and again the link will be given in the description. You can have a look. The second book that I would like to say is about Think Stats. Again, if I go and see this Think Stats by Alan B. Downey, this is also an O'Reilly edition. Publisher is O'Reilly for this, and if you just go and click on the PDF, you'll be able to see this one. Again, the best part, this covers the practical overview for statistics for data science. It uses, and what I have observed from this particular book is that it uses data set from National Institute of Health, uh, which is pretty much national. If you don't know about National Institute of Health, with respect to various data sets, with respect to various research that they have done, they have collected those data set, and you can use that data set to do a whole lot of things like exploratory data analysis and all. Now when I specifically say with respect to statistics, I think you should be referring to this particular book because it has done a lot of things. If I just go and see the content, the limits of PMF, that is probability mass function, percentile, CDFs, representing CDFs, percentile based statistics, random numbers, modeling distribution, exponential distribution, normal distribution, log normal distribution, Pareto distribution, everything. Very important things, all the important things that are required actually to cover most of the things in feature engineering has been covered over here. And I'd suggest that if you are really interested, and many people have been asking me, Chris, from where should I learn statistics and how should I cover this? I think this book will suffice that. It covers each and every concept from statistics properly, and it has a lot of examples, like so you can see correlation, covariation, covariance, Pearson correlation, nonlinear relationship, Spearman rank correlation coefficient. So everything has been covered over here for the practicing purpose. I think with respect to statistics, you can refer this. It is also covered a separate chapter called as hypothesis testing. Like if I go to 117, right, 117 page, Let's see where it is. Okay. Okay, here it is, the chapter 9, which is hypothesis testing. You can actually read and understand each and everything because it is just written in a simple language, and they have given a lot of examples also in this. So it will definitely make it easy for you to learn these things. So definitely the second book is something called as Think Stats. Again, the publisher over here is O'Reilly, and the author actually is Alan B. Downey. Now, many people are also interested in R for data science. Means basically they want to learn R programming language, and from R programming language they want to do the data science. So this is the book that I have for you. Again, this is from O'Reilly itself, and the author, if you see, is Hadley Wickham and Garrett Grolman. I hope I've pronounced it right. So here also, if I just say about this particular book, if you are really interested in R programming language, I think this is the go-to book. And again, it is available for free in the form of PDF. This book is a really comprehensive guide to do data science with R. Okay, and it covers everything from data visualization, data pre-processing, data manipulation, with data modeling with the help of various algorithms. So, and here you can see that data transformation is the explorative data analysis, and projects are also available over here. So definitely go and watch. You can actually go through this particular book. Whoever are interested with R programming language, okay, R programming language, definitely this is the book that you can actually refer again. Again, wonderful book. I've also read this. If you don't know, I have some amount of expertise in R programming language also. So this is very important that you should read this book for this year 2020. I think it'll get covered up. Apart from that, you have my YouTube channel also with respect to Python. You can refer that for Python. Yes. Now this was my third book. I hope this is my third book. Yes, third book that I would like to refer. Uh, Apart from this, I have one more book for you, which is called as Rules for Machine Learning: Best Practices for ML Engineering. Okay, and this is written by Martin Jinkiewicz. So this is also a wonderful document altogether. This you can see this document is intended to help those with a basic knowledge of machine learning and get the benefits of best practices in machine learning from around Google. It presents a style for machine learning similar to Google C++ style guide, and various information over here. You can see, just go and try to click each and every link and try to read. If you're really interested, all the best practices, you'll be able to see it, and by default you'll be getting a whole lot of knowledge. uh, and yes, you can refer this particular book also. This book is about somewhere around 24 pages, and it is a great resource. What I have seen from it is wonderful. It covers very good practices, and from this I've learned some of the things which has been always beneficial for me. Okay, so yes, for this 2020 you can actually refer this particular book itself. uh, and one last thing about the deep learning. So yes, deep learning book is also there, and it is from MIT Press book, written by Ian Goodfellow and Yoshua Bengyo and Aaron Corville. So I hope I have pronounced it right. Inside this, you'll be able to see this particular content. Deep learning is important. What I have seen is that if you go and see my complete deep learning playlist, the maths that is particularly involved, it was very difficult for me in the initial stages to learn. I have referred various books, various research papers. Apart from this particular stuff, this particular PDF that this particular content that I've shown you over here, you should also try to read research papers with respect to deep learning. Then only you'll be getting a whole lot of idea. I have referred many research papers, so because of that, I'm good at deep learning with respect to the theoretical concepts, with respect to the practical implementation. So definitely, what you can do is that after you read this, you definitely go and just watch my videos, or first watch my videos in complete deep learning playlist, and then try to see this. You'll be able to understand it very easily. So guys, 4 to 5 books. All the link will be given in the description. One is Python Data Science Handbook. Mm, the other one, okay, okay. So other one was Think Stats 2E. Then we have R for data science. Then we have Rules for Machine Learning book, Rules for Machine Learning, which includes best practices of machine learning. And finally, this is my deep learning book.org, which is provided by MIT. So here you can see, which is written by these three famous authors, you can actually have a look onto this. And all the link will be given in the description. And trust me, guys, start with this book, Python Data Science Handbook. You'll get a whole lot of knowledge in this. Okay. And again, the content is written in most wonderful way. So yes, I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you one and all, and happy new year everyone. Happy new year 2020. Thank you.